Welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to change input volume in JBL Quantum stream microphone. You can do it in two different ways. In normal system Windows way and using Quantum Engine application. Firstly, I'll show you how to do it using just normal Windows settings. To do that, you should open Start menu, then click Settings, open Settings menu. In the Settings menu, just find here System, then find Sound, scroll down, and here you will see Input Devices, and among these devices you should find microphone JBL Quantum Stream, so click on it, and here you will see Input Volume, and just decrease or increase the input volume of your JBL Quantum microphone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.